So personally, how I would have drawn is that I would prefer to try to see if the line can keep all those lowest point within the line itself first or not. Okay, so just now what you did was that you drawn over here and you try to draw over here. So this is the kind of trend line where it actually cuts a lot of time and it cuts in the middle of nowhere. It's not like it breaks below and then it comes to here, test, fail, and come back down again. So you see a lot of crossing down, crossing up, crossing down, crossing up, crossing down, crossing up, crossing down, crossing up. So generally, I wouldn't prefer drawing that kind of trend line. Okay. So what happens is usually what I will do is I will go to the nearest point first. Okay, based on whatever that he has developed to date. Then I will see if there's any line that I can draw that keeps most of the most recent lines in check on that line. Okay, so this is generally for me how I generally look at this particular trend line. It might not touch these three exactly, or if I wanted to just move slightly a bit, then at least this is the main trend line since July 2018 until now. Okay. Then what happens is I will see over here, is it still important for me to see all this part over here? Generally not so important anymore because this is the main trend line. And then do you realize at the same time as I draw this, you might realize that there's actually an upper channel boundary over here. Okay, so which means that once we have this over here, we can basically ignore this part. As long as we know that this is generally uptrend, it got steeper. That's all we need to know. So the main thing of making our trading setup decisions and how to look at the major trend going forward is from here. This is probably the part where I will be focusing on.